How to reset service reminder of Mitsubishi Outlander 2022 model. First is ignition on, then this button, back okay, the center, and then side to side button. First is go to settings, then click in this button, press that one, then go to maintenance, that one, then service, and then set 15,000, click that one, reset, confirm, yes, all good. It's reset now. 15,000 kilometers distance, and then 1 year. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.